Kangaroo judgment. Wike's allies reject court ruling nullifying Rivers PDP congresses. And now to the news info. The Rivers State function of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), loyal to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, has criticized the recent court ruling nullifying its congresses, calling it a kangaroo judgment. These people, they know they rest. They know they tire. Call to give a ruling, you say it's kangaroo judgment. What do you mean by that? People never obey anything. So stubborn. Like the person you are following. All of you are so stubborn. Wike's allies rejecting. Reject it now. Every time you reject everything. Court gives an order, you reject it. I don't understand you people. In a press statement issued on Tuesday, the PDP Publicity Secretary in Rivers State, Dr. Kenneth Wike, announced that the party's legal team is reviewing the judgment and plans to file an appeal immediately. And we know you are going to file an appeal. You go to Court of Appeal, and then from there to Supreme Court, you are going to always miss the same thing there. That's what you are going to keep saying, because I don't understand you people. Our laws are studying the kangaroo judgment, and the party will immediately file an appeal, he said. Nigerian Punch report that the controversial ruling delivered by Justice Stephen Jumbo of the Rivers State High Court nullified the PDP's board, local government and state congresses held on July 27, August 10 and August 31, 2024. I think there should be a rule, there should be a law that you cannot insult judges anyhow. Because how can a judge give a judgment and you are saying that the judgment is a kangaroo judgment? That means you are telling telling us the judge is a kangaroo. Is that not what you mean? It's an insult, really. If not for the fact that judiciary has become rubbish, they will not be talking to a judge like that. You tell a judge that gave a judgment that is a kangaroo judgment. So if you take it to appeal now and they judge the same thing, you also say it's a kangaroo judgment, Abi? Because I don't understand. The court also barred the Aaron Chukwuemeka-led executives elected during these congresses from functioning in their leadership capacity. This judgment followed an interlocutory injunction in a suit filed by legal practitioners Edwin Nwoko, Love Otunye, and others. Despite the ruling, the pro-Wike faction insists the congresses were conducted in compliance with legal requirements. Now, so you people will do anything that is legal. If people are actually following legal requirements, as the court has given judgments now, you obey. You obey now, but now you are saying it's a kangaroo judgment. Wike cited a prior ruling by Justice Peter Lifu of the Federal High Court in Abuja, which authorized the congresses and restrained security agencies and other entities from interfering with the process. Justice Lifu's ruling explicitly directed the acting PDP National Chairman, Iliya Damagun, National Secretary Senator Samuel Anyanwu, and National Organizing Secretary Umar Batu to proceed with the congresses as scheduled, Wike stated. Wike highlighted that Justice Lifu's ruling also required adherence to the party's guideline and timetable while disqualifying individuals who failed to obtain nomination forms within the stipulated deadline. The PDP Caretaker Committee Chairman in Rivers State, Aaron Chukwuemeka, has supported the application leading to Justice Lifu's decision. Addressing the High Court ruling by Justice Jumbo on January 28, 2025, Wike urged party members across the state to remain calm as the appeal process begins. At least before you begin the appeal process, listen to what the first judge has said. They should be making sure that they enforce the law. If you make a judgment, make sure that they follow and they don't prove stubbornness and still be doing what you told them not to do. Because I don't know what they are looking for. David Fubara says, why study the judgment? I thought they said they had an appeal court judgment to go ahead with the Congress. Listen, Wike is one man who will drive the unsuspecting judiciary to his prepared pot of porridge. If State High Court gives an order, why run it to an Abuja High Court? I wonder. I wonder. An issue is happening in Rivers State, you will carry it to Abuja. Why run it to Abuja Court of same coordinate jurisdiction for same thing? Well, we are waiting for the appeal. We are actually waiting. Victor Nwagwa says they don't obey courts. Watch out for them. They never do. But if it was somebody else that did not obey, they will be complaining. Via did not obey court order. He is disobeying the law. Are you obeying the law? Adebayo Abdulsalam says they never break for now. They know they tire. They are so stubborn. Very stubborn party. Very, very stubborn pro-Wike allies. Very stubborn. I've never seen people as stubborn as them before. Samuel Ethick says the same kangaroo congress she conducted with Wike to pick his loyalists as party officers, to control the party and sell to APC. If you claim the judgment is kangaroo, so be it, but you must stop parading yourself as PDP members. Yes, you must obey that judgment. Before you carry yourself to Apiko, obey it first. Kangaroo Congress gets kangaroo judgment. Funny jesters and comedians posing as politicians, don't mind them. But all of them, they need to sack all of them and pursue them to their house. Aruba Promise says, kangaroo, why even studying it if it is a kangaroo? I wonder. Frustrated people, they are really frustrated. Those people are frustrated. Like their master, I'm sure he's so frustrated right now. Instead of you to just leave this matter alone. Leave this man alone. What exactly is you people's problem? You are studying. Is it a 4 unit course that you are studying it? OKKJ says, if the last governor served in Rivers State is owner of PDP in Rivers State, will Wike become owner of PDP in Rivers State? Democracy is government comes and government goes. Political party is not owned by one point person. Abi, look at them forming one person party system because of their selfishness. At the end, they will be crying against it. One party system is not democracy. Awake now before it is too late, Nigerians. God bless us. God really bless us. Because I don't understand why one man wants to control everything. The same you are in PDP. The same you are in APC. Who knows if you are in LP, if you are in AAC? Who knows if you don't know? You are the one controlling everybody and everything. You want to do everything by yourself. As if you are the owner of the country. You are the owner of everybody in this country. Everybody should do your bidding. You go to court of appeal. Go now. Tonatu Zobi says, so where did Dr. Peter Odili go wrong when he observed that the wicked are trying to pocket and plunder the fate of Rivers State? Yes, that is what he wants to do. He wants to turn Rivers State into his own. Like, he wants to be the full authoritarian, like this, this North Korea president, that nobody will take over from him, probably until he dies. That is what he wants to do in Rivers State. At the age they was not propagating a parallel government against a duly elected government in a democracy by their busybody language and all. I really wonder. Only you want to own the state to yourself. This is democracy now. It is not a family business. It is not your inheritance. It is not a kingship thing that you will be there till you die and your children will now take over from you. For what? What is wrong with this man? Friday Nubi says the PDP we have here in Rivers State is authentic, nothing like function be guided. It's a lie, they are not authentic. They are not authentic, they are Wike studios. All of them are working for Wike. Fubara should not even trust any one of them at all. They are all working for Wike. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.